How to enable cookies in Safari in iPhone 16e. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down in last and here you can see the option apps. Now click on apps and then scroll down and here you can see the option Safari. Now click on Safari and then scroll down in last and click on advanced. Make sure you turn off block all cookies. If you turn on this button, it means all the cookies are blocked. If you turn off, it means your cookies will be enabled. So this is the way to enable cookies in Safari in iPhone 16e. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.